Area Magni's first gyro. Hi, this is Paul from Bay Area Gyro, and I'm here at the Magni factory where I'm very excited to be after 10 years of waiting for this, and I'm building a gyro, and they made me feel very welcome and been super helpful. And you can see here other gyros being built, M26s, M24s, M16. This is actually the end of day one, and this is what it looks like so far. It's not going to look as good as this at the end of day two, because a lot of this will be taken off again, because now we need to install control lines and things like that, fuel tank. But this is it clicoed together with these clico connectors here. And we've got the engine on, got the control rods on, the rotor head on, and so yeah, making some good progress. Alright, so that's the end of day 2. It's been a busy day. We've got the door perspex glued on, which apparently you have to do as the last thing during the day because it needs 24 hours or 12 hours to cure. The firewall is in, the fuel system is taking shape, and the electrical stuff is beginning to be plumbed in, along with the front panel being installed in basic form. And then you've got rudders, the front nose pulley, the control rods are all installed and checked with a protractor at the top, and the engine is being connected up now as well. We've got the tail on and the rudder in, and so yeah, it's been another very full day, so I'll be happy to go and have a beer, I think. That was Area Magni just looking at my gyro and well, hopefully blessing it. Okay, so that was the end of day 3, and it's funny, it feels different now. It really feels like it's nearly there. Before it was a collection of parts, but now it's a gyro. That might sound strange, but I know what I mean. So yes, tail, engine, most of the engine is connected up. It has oil in it, it has coolant in it. We have the electrical systems mostly connected. We have the wheels and hubs on. The instrument panel is in and partially connected. All the switches are there. The throttle and the brake are connected. The joysticks are in. The seats, fuel tank are in with the seat belts. Headset connections. And the front windshield has just been put on. That was the last job of the day, and now that needs 12 hours to cure. And then tomorrow, day 4, I'm hoping that we'll actually run the engine. So we'll put the oil properly, check that that's through the system, and then give it a ground test. How cool is that?